Did you know that AI can help you earn more than $5,000 per month without a technical degree? Whether you're searching for a side gig or a full-time job, AI technologies make it easier than ever to launch a lucrative business. In this video, I'm going to share the top AI side hustles that can generate over $5,000 per month, plus actionable steps to get started today. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around till the end because I'll share a bonus AI hustle that very few people are using. Let's dive in. First up, AI-powered copywriting and content creation. Businesses need high-quality content, and AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can help you generate blog posts, ad copy, social media captions, and more. The potential monthly income here is between $5,000 and $10,000. To get started, learn about AI writing tools, create a portfolio, and offer your services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Use AI tools to scale your business by automating repetitive writing tasks. Next, let's talk about AI-powered YouTube automation. AI can help you run faceless YouTube channels that make money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Potential monthly income ranges from $5,000 to $20,000. Use AI tools like Pictory to create videos, ChatGPT to write scripts, and 11 Labs to record voiceovers. Monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and brand partnerships. Next up, an AI-powered print-on-demand business. AI can help you design and sell t-shirts, mugs, and posters without any upfront inventory. Potential monthly income ranges between $5,000 and $15,000. Create distinctive designs using AI tools such as Midjourney or DALL-E and share them on services like Redbubble and Teespring. Promote items on TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write product descriptions that rank on Google and Etsy. Now, let's explore AI-assisted social media management. Businesses and influencers need help managing their social media, and AI makes it easier to automate content creation and scheduling. Potential monthly income ranges from $5,000 to $12,000. Use AI technologies such as Buffer, Canva, and ChatGPT to create content and provide content calendaring, engagement methods, and automation services. Promote your services to businesses, personal brands, and influencers. AI is changing the game, and these side hustles are proof that you don't need to be a tech genius to make serious money. Which AI side hustle will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable alerts for more money-making advice. If you want to hear about a little-known AI business that's making people thousands of dollars a month, check out this next video.